Why are bugs coming so early and so intensely this year? Hi, I'm Darren Hefty with today's Ag Minute. You're not alone. Farmers are feeling the same thing. There are more bugs coming earlier in the season and higher populations of bugs than we've seen in years. Part of the big reason is what an easy winter we had. In the upper Midwest, we had very little snowfall and above normal temperatures all winter. Now, normally a harsh winter can kill off many of the bugs that are trying to overwinter in our part of the world. This year, obviously that didn't happen. Now, are we going to have more bugs for the rest of the season? That's hard to say. Much of that is going to depend again on the weather. If we have lots of moisture, we may see more mosquitoes. If we stay drier, we may just see more gnats or more grasshoppers. It all depends on what Mother Nature dishes out the rest of the way. With today's Ag Minute, I'm Darren Hefty.